Thursday, I woke up from 5 o'clock. I have a few meetings that I'm gonna be doing today. You know, things to attend to. I'm gonna make some tea now, drink the apple cider vinegar. If you have your own lighter, look at this. Yeah. Stone light. That too is a cartel. Vibes Cartel. For those that know Vibes Cartel, I'm putting it on to one of the greatest artists of all time. There are no excuses to be listening to music that is basic. So this is gonna be cup one. This is how much I've drank. Look at this. Yup, chia seed, lemon juice. And also, you know what I've been practicing? Like this. A lot of suctions. So as you wake, you want to be doing the suction thing to your belly. And I saw a female do that first. And I'm like, yo, why are you doing that? She said it gives you a flat tummy. And I'm like, oh, wow, interesting. So we got beef liver. Pop it out the shell. There we go. 2 pills of beef. Got the maca for you, you know, girl. Milk thistle, that's for your liver. Got the protein for you. This is 20 grams. Once we done that protein powder, we got for this. But for now, we just go on easy with it. We don't pressure the youths, damn. Protein. 1 scoop. You're using no explode. Yesterday, I did something wrong. I put it in all of this. Very bad of me to do that. Throwing electrolytes in it. Wow. Such amazing potion you mix there. So this is collagen and everything mixed together. Tell you, I saw this thing on Insta where this guy was taking 4 scoops. I don't eat for taste. I eat for nutrients. Remember this. If you're new to the channel, like, share, subscribe to the channel and understand this basic principle. I don't eat for taste. I eat for nutrients. Yo, why is this so lumpy today? Pow! He don't play with me, no boy. So I'm just gonna run through this now. Then gonna mix. Then gonna do a little chart breakdown for you guys. You know, y'all my people. You might not know it, but I'm telling you, you guys are my people, bro. People, I gotta treat you right. So the last thing I'm gonna drink is the No Explode. That's gonna cause an explosion. Gotta mix up the tea properly. I don't want you guys to say, yo bro, you told me this recipe and it's full of lumps. No, we're not about that life. So let's get it. Yeah, welcome to all watching this magnificent video where we're actually gonna be breaking down some stuff. So the last video I did, I told you that you guys wanted to go to 50,000. Before it even thinks about going there, it needs to get strength. So it pushed up based on the news that came out recently, which is manufacturer news, which was a little bit better than expected. So I was saying above 50 indicates industry expansion. That means the market is good. There's been a lot of contractions, a lot of bad things happening in the market, and therefore the market would have moved aggressively towards a buy opportunity for that because money is flowing back into the dollar. And if money is flowing back into the dollar, that means it's flowing back into US stocks. And US stocks are made up of industrial companies, pharmaceutical, all of those different stuff. So when it's flowing into it, that means the value of it is going to go up. Now, we have this level here that we're at, and we're still in this top range consolidation era. My prediction is definitely going to come back down before going up. We're not just going to go up like that. It doesn't work like that because we have some type of level here that the market is causing some type of opposite reaction. So if it was pushing up, that means buyers are in control. Now it's at this level. So therefore, this level is where sellers are in control. So therefore, sellers are coming in, push price back down. And then when it comes down, something new, something, buyers would come back in to push price up potentially. So if you wanted to go to 50,000, this is what you need to focus on. The fact that it must before come back down, even here, before going to that 50,000 mark. Here was a little bit aggressive in terms of push from this level, so therefore I'm expecting further aggressive. But even now, I'm expecting 49,500 first before even thinking about 50,000 because this is the closest, easiest thing to read. For those that use fibs, let me break it down for you from here. So it'll be 49,470 and then it probably go up further if it should make a full-on push. But remember, the deeper the market goes, the less likely that it is going to go back up. So if it comes to this, the easiest thing for it to come to is the 100% mark, which is here, or here. If it should pass the 100% mark, it should do something like right there, which is still not 50,000, but can be because it would be above this level here. So that's what I'm looking for that specific move. For GJ, oh my God, wow, what a beauty. You're so beautiful today. So this was the analysis that I posted yesterday. Let me find it back in the group. So I posted 2 sides to that analysis. I said, hey, potentially come back down or potentially maintain this level to go up. What GJ did was maintain the level to go up. You guys can check back the last video to see that that's exactly what I posted and I was talking about. All right, so we're heading there. We're heading to this level here, 213 level there. Bro, why open a new tab? Not every day is a trading day. Sending this analysis just to see what's up. Maybe I take, maybe I don't take. Okay, so this is gold. Hey, I'm talking to you specifically. If you're not a part of the Discord community, if you're not following me, if you're not liking, if you're not subscribing, come on, what sense does it make? You need to follow me at Pajama Millionaire on every platform. Like, share, subscribe. Interact with me. Let me know comments and feedback in the comment section. You may have a question that you need help with. You may have something that you need help with, and I'm able to help you. If you ask, or you're gonna get help. And some people will message and be like, yo, bro, I'm like God's favorite here, but I'm not like Superman to read minds and stuff like that. Come on, guys. You gotta help me to help you, okay? So this looks like it's going back up. We're basically almost back at 5,000 to push back up, which is what I was predicting yesterday, which one is going well, to be honest, because we break above this zone. Everybody's scared, like, yo, gold is selling off. Oh my God, the market is crashing. To understand how to do technicals and fundamentals. So we're pushing up. So if we should some pullback type situation on GJ also. But let's go. GJ is moving very slow, not the pair to normally move slow. The reason it's moving so slow is because the market is trying to find out, yo, what is that gonna happen next, bro? Am I just gonna, that's everybody's afraid right now, to be honest. But remember, platform that I'm trading on, apexmarkets.io, and they got over 500% bonus going on. You guys can benefit from it. You get 5 times whatever you want to trade with. Amazing conditions, instant payouts and stuff like that. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and follow me. There's quite a few people who are asking which platform to trade on. Best is this platform, Apex. Let's get it. We're gonna work out now. God is the greatest. I'm gonna let you guys know what's happening after throughout the day. But for now, I'm chilling. Another day in the workout facility. 177.6. Madness. Can't complain, bro. Doing some ab workout first to start the day. Then we move into some other stuff. Look at this. Fuck. Can I guess? Let me guess. Romantic. So one thing.
How much was generated there? No, but just the one. Just the rest.
All right, guys, so back now and just doing this update of this analysis. So as I told you, within this area, market came back and made a situation like this, something in that zone at about 10:40 a.m. and then started to push up. And then now we're hitting this zone here. I'm not expecting it to go further past that zone. Well, yeah, it can actually go up there. So it actually passed that area that I was actually looking for some type of rejection. So it can actually go up to this red zone here and then maybe break above it. So we're looking very bullish right now at the moment. We're in this free space area here. Looking to push up a little to about 213, 750, 214 area back. So this zone was very difficult to break because of the news, the tension regarding the news. The market kept on pushing down to that level. But then, push down, didn't maintain. It's just very bullish candle to start pushing up. And then this will give you a sentiment for US 30 pushed up. Now, what I'm expecting for US 30, as I tell you, this zone very difficult to break. So I'm expecting it to potentially push back into this area somewhere to then get strength to push up. So it's going to play around. So it went to 49,681 high, but it didn't maintain. So what it started to do, it started to reverse, to push down. And now we're actually going to be pushing down a little. We can get some sell opportunity probably back to this zone here or all the way back down to all the way here. So let's just pay close attention to this one especially. I find it that US 30 is trading really, really good, especially in these market conditions. Kind of liking it a little bit more now. It was probably like last year I learned how to trade US 30, which is, when I say learned, it's more like the risk management aspect. But based on my experience trading GBP, JPY, it's just, all the same situation. You just have to understand your risk and understand what time of day you should be trading that specific pair, which I do understand. So GJ back to this 214 area. US 30 definitely gonna go back down a little, about 49,000 before potentially pushing above this zone to then probably target 50,000. So maybe we get a 50,000 hit, which is here, is down. And as I was telling you before, it had to come back down. They had to come back down into zone before pushing up. So this is NAS 100 tech. And then gold is pushing back up. It's kind of moving slow right now, not as fast as you would want it to. But when Trump says, hey, I'm going to do something to this next part of the world, you're going to see push up or push down when he says, okay, cool, I'm not going to do nothing. The dollar is gaining a little bit of strength, but we're still at a zone of resistance here. So we may just be pulling back here just to lose further strength. But remember, dollar strength came from manufacturing, as well as the other items, which would have been positive. Remember, a lot of people are making money inside the Discord. So look at this. Delroy made $150. This other guy made $1,188. And then you have Dre in the group putting in work, posting fitness and a bunch of stuff. And we're just giving feedback on different trades. This guy made 233, which is Jordan, made that. So guys, post your results inside the group and you will be highlighted. So posting fitness results, posting trading results, or posting everything inside the community for you guys to actually benefit from. These were the GJ trade prior to, US 30 trade prior to, gold trade prior to, which is all of these, and then it just started to run up. So for example, this was gold prior to. Just be sure to follow Life After Winning at Pajama Millionaire. And also be sure to like, share, subscribe. Let me know your feedback in the comments. In order for me to answer, you got to ask. If you don't ask, I cannot answer. Okay? So see you guys inside the Discord. The Discord is free of cost. I'm not charging you for education. I'm not charging you for nothing. All you gotta do is just join the Discord. And also, when you join, invite 10 persons to be a part of the next free webinar. And you can get questions answered. And then you get tips and all of that. Everything is free of cost. I'm not charging you for nothing. This person just made some profits as well to off goal. This is Boy Brain. All right, guys. So see you guys inside. Winners win. Big up yourself.